In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send template email through Mailerlite. To begin, log into your Mailerlite account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the sidebar menu on the left side of the screen. This is where Mailerlite keeps the main tools you will use to manage your email marketing. Find and click on Campaigns. This section is where you create, edit, review, and send email campaigns to your subscribers. After you open the Campaigns area, you will see the options related to your existing campaigns and any drafts you may have already created. To start a new email using a template, click Create Campaign. This tells Mailerlite that you want to build a new message from the beginning, rather than editing an older campaign. Now you will need to fill in the basic campaign details. Enter a campaign name first. This name is mainly for your own organization, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later. Next, select the campaign type, if Mailerlite asks you to choose one. Then enter the subject line for the email. The subject line is what your subscribers will see in their inbox, so make sure it clearly matches the purpose of your message. After that, review the sender details. This includes the sender name and sender email that will appear to recipients. Once everything looks correct, click Next, Content. Now you are ready to choose how the email itself will look. On the Content screen, click the Templates tab. This is where you can access ready-made layouts instead of designing the email from a blank page. Templates are useful because they already include structure, spacing, and design elements that you can customize for your own message. Next, choose whether you want to use the template gallery or My Templates. The template gallery contains pre-designed templates provided by Mailerlite. These are helpful if you want a polished design quickly. My Templates is where you can find templates you have saved before, which is useful if you already have a branded layout or a design you use regularly. Once you are in the template area, browse through the available options and find the template you want to use. When you see the template that fits your campaign, hover over it. A Select button should appear. Click Select to apply that template to your campaign. This will open the template in Mailerlite's drag-and-drop editor, so you can customize it. Now you can begin editing the email content. Use the drag-and-drop editor to modify the text, images, and links inside the template. Click on any text section to replace the sample wording with your own message. Click on Image Blocks to change the images to the ones you want to use. If the template includes buttons or linked text, make sure the links point to the correct pages. Take a moment here to review each part of the template carefully, because this is the main content your subscribers will receive. When you are finished customizing the design and content, click Done Editing. This saves your changes and takes you back to the campaign setup flow. Before moving forward, it is a good idea to make sure the email looks complete and that there are no placeholder sections left in the template. Next, select the subscriber group or segment that should receive this email. Groups and segments help you choose the right audience for your campaign. Select the audience that matches the purpose of the message, so the email goes only to the subscribers who should receive it. After you choose your recipients, click Next Review. On the review screen, Mailerlite will show a summary of the campaign settings. Look over the details, including the subject line, sender information, content, and selected audience. This review step helps you catch any mistakes before the campaign is scheduled or sent. Once everything looks correct, click Next, Schedule. This takes you to the final sending options. Here you can choose to send the email immediately or schedule it for later. If you want the campaign to go out right away, choose Send Now. If you want it to send at a specific date and time, choose Schedule for later and set the schedule. Finally, click Send or Schedule, depending on the option you selected. Mailerlite will then either send your template email right away or hold it until the scheduled time. That covers everything you need to know.